Just log.
So Sandil has to join. Okay, so yeah, now you understood about how to bring the data set and the program. Okay, I'll show you now.
Yes.
Sandil has to join. Okay, join. Let's do some. Just give him a call. My phone
Yes.
is.
He's joining.
So you can try opening up any kind of an environment, not only uh, Google Colab. You can also try working on Jupyter. You can also try working on Visual Studio Code. You can also try working on PyTorch. You can even you can try on Python.org. In Python.org, you'll be able to find out the command prompt of Python file. That's also everything is free. That is the other beauty because everything is open source. So no need
Yeah,
to pay
I have
anything.
Visual Studio installed on my laptop actually.
Visual,
It's
VS
very
Code.
bad.
Okay.
Visual Studio Code.
Okay. That is nice environment.
Mhm. Yeah,
Even
I
you can try that.
actually,
Okay.
last year when I was trying to learn, I installed it, but I never worked on it yet.
Okay.
So one question, Srinivas, like
Yeah, sure, sure. You
now
can.
you are providing the URL here.
Hmm.
The purpose of this URL for us, like it is pulling the information from Flipkart live data, or is it like uh,
It
what
is a
is?
live data. It is a live data. You can pull out of the information. The
Mhm.
next step is how to work open. See, in our SaaS environment, everything is more confidential, right? But in
Yes.
machine learning and deep learning, there are possibilities that you will get the data set, the sample data set for the open source data set from the University of California. I'll introduce that. Okay, so even you can work on any kind of open source data set. It is like open source. If you go this link, if you click this link, you can check out what is this is all about, and you can also
Mm.
check similarly like Twitter data sets. You can also check similarly to the other WhatsApp group data set, even a Twitter, Facebook data set, Instagram data set, all the social media, LinkedIn data set. There are so many things that are available for I mean that is another beautiful culture towards the Python environment. That is why every developer trying to work on, I mean, they're just trying to move on from any other programming languages to Python environment. Because it is an open culture, every developer is contributing towards this, the development. And also every developer is just, not only contributing, they're also, the maintaining the database, the maintaining the decorum, maintaining the libraries. And I will introduce slowly, you'll be getting into those environments. Okay. Sandil joined?
Yeah, he's in the call.
Oh, fine. So now, forget about the basic structure and everything. Okay. So now we got the program. Now we got the data set, right? We are going to analyze. Okay. So what is this? The first line, the pip install pandas. Okay. The pandas is nothing but it is a Python library. We will just deal with more when we talk about the introduction to Python. Now we are just analyze how to analyze the data set so that you will get an engagement towards Python. That is another engagement process. I'm just planning for. I'm just going in the reverse direction. That's what we say. Okay. So whatever the file you are going to install in Python environment, this is the process. That is called, this is the syntax. Okay. PIP, that's the first word, PIP, install. Whatever the library name you wanted to work on, you have to mention over here. This is the syntax and this is the process in Python environment. So what it's already there, it's already installed or already satisfied. So no need to do this process again. That is what this means. Okay, that means this Google Colab environment, it's already having this pandas library so that you can directly import. Okay, directly import pandas as PD. I think it is a alias name. You just align with your SAS programming skill as well. So I'm just importing pandas directly. You can just no need of this. I'm just giving you for the betterment of understanding purposes. Okay, how you are just referring directly. Okay, even though with this code it will work. That's what I mean it. Okay, so I want to refer pandas. Why I wanted to refer pandas, right? Be a question for you, right? Okay, I'll give you a very simple introduction. Pandas. Five. What is pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for working with data sets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. Okay. Pandas is nothing but it is a library, Python library, right? Why is this used for? This is used for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name pandas has a reference to both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. Even if you just see the year and the history of some libraries, it is amazing. That means it is recently introduced. Okay, but SAS is there for longer time, right? But they haven't give. I mean, they haven't given, or they haven't tried to give this much amount of the robust libraries, and they are not open source, right? Just a second. Give me a minute. So this, I'm just referring this website For the basic information, you can try referring this W3 schools or geeks for geeks. Okay, but don't delve in deep. If you are for the introduction, maybe for initially for the first 5 days or 10 days, you can just use this, and afterwards you just try to change the mode of because this is very basic websites. Uh, for the deeper learning of Python, don't refer. That's what I wanted to tell you. For the introduction purposes or introductory purposes, use this, and for the deeper learning, you have to go and I'll give you the reference. And even I have given you the Python book, and you can refer that. It is very small book. Okay. All right. Okay, so this pandas, I mean, this is what it is. So analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and mentoring. If I wanted to analyze something, okay, just see the information. Is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value? What is maximum value? What is minimum value? This kind of analysis or manipulation, right? You can use this library. So what I'm going to use here, just DF. Okay, so what is DF? DF, data frame. So see, just make your mind. We are not, talking the Python introduction. We are talking about the analyzing data set. Okay, so there are so many things that I should introduce. Let's wait for that moment. Okay, DF is nothing but data frame. So it is a basic syntax how to refer this. So df equal to data frame equal to pd pandas dot. I'm just wanted to reading the existing data set. Apple underscore products dot csv. This is a CSV file. I wanted to read this like a data frame. Just
Srini,
assume that yes, yeah.
I have one question here. So
Uh,
here you are mentioning data set, right? So what
mm,
we are submitting is an Excel sheet only. So
uh,
here
uh,
in the Python, we call it as a data set. That means a data set or the Excel
yes,
sheet.
yes. The data set.
Okay, okay.
Everywhere it is a data set. So we normally not referring Excel. We
Oh,
have
okay.
comma separated value file, and also if it is bigger than this because everything it is coming under CSV file, because it will hold lakhs and lakhs of data. Okay. So you can
Okay.
also
So
uh,
yeah, here how to what is that upload that CSV file here. So you because I
uh,
didn't
uh,
see any. Yeah, this is the one button. Okay.
okay, that is the only one pattern. There are another pattern as well, and I will introduce in later. So that
Perfect.
see, now it is having only 63 observation or 62 observations only. Yeah, here it is 62, right? Only 62. This is fine. If it is more than 1 lakh or 2 lakhs data or 10 lakhs, I mean million data, then this environment will not be enough, and this will hang, right? The system will hang because we have only 100 GB. See this, the storage. Even
Mhm.
in your the bottom, you will get this information. So only maybe 85 GB will be available for you, because 15 GB it will go for the environment, like your
Mhm.
Apple product, Apple iPhone. Okay, so 15 GB will go, and 85 GB will not be sufficient to. Okay, you can just install over the data set over here and then process. No, for that there is a methodology. You can directly work on online. There is a methodology. So I'll introduce one by one. Don't get confused. Just follow me what I'm just talking. Right? This is the one process. I think you know how to download the data set from, I mean, through this methodology, right? Okay. You are very clear in this, right? how
No,
to
I'm just
download.
trying to upload, but I'm not
Okay.
able to upload.
Okay.
So
Just try this. I mean, are you going to this files?
yes, I've just click
Files.
it here,
Okay.
file,
Yeah. File.
and then okay, sample data it is showing.
Apple
No,
products. No, you have to
sam
come. See.
On
No,
top
you
you
have to
have
click
upload.
this. You have to click this. Upload to session storage.
okay, upload to session storage. Okay.
You have to click this arrow mark.
So if I click, automatically go to that desktop location, and then I will just click the Apple products, automatically come into that, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see the now, what is that? The information that Apple product information down
So
in the
okay.
same way. Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
ah. See,
But
yeah.
the
What?
read SPB, it's showing like data slash Apple product underscore C. So,
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'll tell you.
okay.
See this one. Even you can also if you double click, you can in the right hand side, you will be able to read the data set here itself. Yeah. Like you can filter, you can do a lot of things. You can just see per page. You can increase. Can you 25, 50, 100? If you want to see the entire 62 observation, you can also see this. So this is one way of seeing this uh, data set. Okay. This is a syntax, the basic syntax of the Python, how to read a data set. If it is a CSV file, normally it is a CSV. No Excel. Even though if you are trying to read a simple Excel file, xlx.xlsx, you will also try to convert into CSV, or you can also read directly the Excel file. We will show you how to read the different kind of extensions. Okay, so there are so many things and how to read those kind of things. So no need to worry about this as of now. So this is as of now. See what I am trying to say. Sai was telling that okay, I can find maximum value, I can find minimum value, I can find this
Yeah.
differentiation, I can find the category. Likewise, this Python language, whatever you are thinking, you'll be able to do it. Whatever you think. So it's not like a SAS programming environment, procedures or functions or data sets or something like that. You have to go through a certain process. Yes, it is having a certain process we are going to introduce. But what I'm trying to say here, whatever you think in your mind, you'll be able to do this. You'll be able to execute those kind of information. That means if I wanted to I wanted to get some information out of Apple iPhone, what can I do? If suddenly you can I can just open up this environment, insert code. Okay, if I just click, this is one block of code block will be appearing, and I can just try writing whatever I think. What I mean over here, there should be an option in Python, whatever you think. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. And I'll give you so many examples going forward. Just wait for those kind of a moment. Okay. Right. So as of now, we are in this program, iPhone data analysis mini project program, and left hand side we have a data set, and I want to read this data set, and this is the syntax how to read the data set. Just to see the PD is nothing but pandas. Pandas, and I already given the alias name. Okay. I'm just referring PD dot. I'm just reading, try to read in the existing CSV file. For that, read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV is by default the nature of the syntax of this line. And then I'm just referring within the code the file name of this product. Here, if you wanted to read in Jupyter Notebook, then you have to give the entire part of this file name. Have you got my point? Here, in this, because since this is the collab environment, and I'm just referring the data set over here itself, there is no need of giving my physical storage link, downloads,
because
downloads folder or something, right?
because
But
initially we
yeah,
have uploaded to Drive.
yes, exactly. Now it is in Drive itself. I don't need to refer any kind of link, because and how you are referring in your SaaS environment, you have to give the link where you are referring, you are taking the data set. In this collab environment, it is as simple as that. You can just say import, and you can just import the data set over here itself. You can just read here itself. If you don't want to read and this is a big file, then you have to refer the link. Now I'll show you. No need to worry. Okay, I'll show you each and every sample and examples. Okay. Now you are with me, right? Okay. So now
Yeah.
I just read. Okay. I just read. Now I want to read something from the dataset. So if I give this data frame dot head of the brackets, okay, that means it will give the first 5 observations or first 5 records. So Python will always go from, start from, the index will start from 0. Just see, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 5. So head means in Python, it will give first 5 records of observations. The first 5 records from this file, it is Apple iPhone 8 Plus Gold, 64 GB. And the first 5 records it is appearing. Now I wanted to get the count of the entire data set. What is the count? Count of means count of each. I want to find out the missing values, right? Each and every column. Yeah. Yes. So if I wanted to show you, since this is very simple data set, I can just go through naked eye. I can find out if there is any missing information or not. But we are not here for that. We are here for millions and millions of data to analyze. That is why machine learning engineers needed. That is why you are just trying to learn over here, right? Even in SaaS environment, you'll be able to read, or you have seen maybe a 7 lakhs, or 6 lakhs, or 8 lakhs. Might be it depends on your data set size, right? But here in machine learning, the basic structure itself, it is the bare minimum is million in a live environment, in a real-time environment. Okay. So in those scenarios, you'll be directly reading those information from the cloud environment. And I will talk about this later. Okay. So I wanted to find out, is there any missing information? For that, if you just give df dot count of the function, right? If you give this, it will give all the specific column names with the count, the total number of counts. So I don't have any kind of a missing information. All these things
Will
are
it give the distinct count or a general count only? It's
distinct. Distinct means, so what we refer. So if you
it's not
see,
duplicate. So for example, same value, so if it is
I
duplicated,
don't know. No, it won't give you distinct value. So whatever
okay.
it is, whatever the column name. Since say for instance, product name, I have only 62. Product
Okay.
URL 62. If any kind of the names is repeating, the product name is something repeating, it won't differentiate here itself. It won't give you, because it is just filled it. That's it. We'll
I
see
have
how. Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah, we are seeing D type int 64 down. Like, what
Hmm,
is
hmm.
that? It's not
That
giving
is
any
called.
count.
This is called as data type. So in count itself, it is trying to give what are all the things it is mentioned? What is the data type? So data type is nothing but it is mix of alphabet and integers, right? So this is what is called coming under integer 64 kind of a data type. So we'll see, the character data set. We'll see about numeric data type. We'll see integers data type. We'll see the other mix and match of the other data type, right? So that you'll be able to refer what kind of a data type it is, so that it will be referring. So the integer 64 type, it is having all the information. Even you can give link. In this link, there are so many informations, like including inclusive of the small characters, lower type, lower case, uppercase, the numbers, I mean the numeric, and then the characters, and everything is inclusive. So the entire information, even in this field, you can also type. It is not a numeric. It is not a numeric. It is not like only character. It is both character and numeric. That is called integer 64 character type. I mean data type. But in SAS, some of the columns, by default, it should be a numeric, right? So forget about those kind of an information. So be open up.
So this data type is for the entire data set. This data type for the entire data set. It's not for the individual column name.
Yes, the entire data set, it is kind of, yes, this is based on integer 64 data type. That means it is having both alphanumeric and also sometimes digits. That is also possible. Okay, so this is one of the information. Now, if you're just giving data data frame df of MRP dot max, just see how simple you can refer in Python. I want to find out the maximum MRP. This is a syntax. Data frame of the square bracket. I wanted to see the MRP. This is the variable name in your term. Okay. This is the variable name you are referring within quotes, single quotes, or double quotes. You can try.
Is the variable name is a case sensitive, Srini? We have to put the same name, or we can give uppercase, lowercase, whatever the name we can give. It's a case sensitive.
Case sensitive, because whatever you are just referring in this as a column name, you have to refer the same thing. Even you can run in your name. I think you opened up in your Google Colab, right? You opened up, right? So forget. Yes. Just to forget about or just delete all the things, or open up a new file. Open notebook. Open again the same file. Keep this, and maybe give the different name for this project. Test mini project 1 or 2. In that, delete all the information. Just type and run it. And that is the easiest way to learn Python programming, so that you will be able to visualize information. Right? What I'm saying. Okay.
Go to file. Open notebook.
Just open notebook. And again, I'm just opening up. Or what you do, just click this _1. Just type this _1 or test1. Okay. Now I have a new file. Now what I'm going to do, I delete all the information, or I run one by one. Again, I will do PAP install. Okay, I'm just running this. This is how we have to test. This is how we have to run this. Run any environment.
So
You have to
initially,
get the
when you're writing a program, we have to call the libraries, install the libraries. That's the basic step.
no need for Google Colab. So I just given you for the testing. I mean, just for the information purposes only. No need to give, because Google. Why we are going for Google Colab? Google Colab, it will be having all the I mean basic libraries got installed already. All the plugins got installed. So this is just for your information. Now this is the first step. So forget about this. This is the first step. In this first step, it will be telling you, okay, if this pandas libraries is not installed, please try to install. It will be giving you the information. Okay. Now in this file, I'm just running one by one. Same way, just rename this file. Okay, rename this file and try running this box. Okay. Try running.
And before import Sini, I have the one statement like from google.colab import drive. So drive.mount. So do I need to run that also?
No need. Maybe what you do, go to the new notebook in Drive. Just go to the new notebook, and I will show you from the beginning. It will be easy for you. Go to the new notebook. Yes. Go to the new notebook.
Go to new notebook. Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah, this is the right. This is
New
the thing, right?
notebook on the drive.
This is the environment you are getting.
Okay, let me just opening now. Yes,
Even
starting code
just...
like it's a blank, completely blank.
Blank, right? Yeah. Go to this. Go to this. Go to this. Just give any name. Give any name.
Go to file, new notebook in Drive, right?
Yes, yes. New notebook in Drive.
Just put mini project.
Then only, yeah. Just put mini project, mini hyphen or mini underscore, whatever you are preferring. Just do this.
We can give the space, right? Or underscore only we can give. Space is not accepted in the name, file name.
It will accept. It will accept it. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But maintain some standard. Okay. Now I'm just importing. Import. So you can also see the color combination, color differentiation like SAS. Maybe if you are working on a Unix or Linux, then it will.
Yeah.
Now Google Colab.
This is a function, huh? This is a function. It's showing a different color.
Yes.
Import is the function. Okay.
Yes. Import. What you are trying to import? Pandas. Because pandas is analyzing the library. So pandas as PD. Just type.
Oh, it is automatically that name is coming. That means typing
Yes.
automatically, like interactive.
Yes,
okay.
it is. It is an AI inbuilt.
Oh, okay,
AI.
okay.
If you see
Before
this,
writing only it is coming. Okay.
Yeah, start coding or generate with AI.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's
Import pandas.
Import pandas as PD, just for the alias name, just for the simplicity. So run this.
Run it. Okay.
You can run from here, and also you can go to the run time, run all, run whatever the selection. There are so many things. Okay, you can interrupt too, right? Okay, so you will be getting the green tick.
Yes.
If you will be getting something like error, you will be having the information. Okay.
Oh, error note also will come. Okay.
Yes, everything is. That is why this is the best way. Okay.
Tick means it's already ran. Tick means it is already ran.
Already ran.
Okay.
All right. Now, what is the next step? I wanted to read in this data set. Okay. df. So again, go to the code. Click df equal to PD.
How to go to the next line, Srini? How to go to the next line?
Go to this. Go to the code.
Oh, code. Okay, insert code.
Insert code. Or you can see you can get the shortcuts.
df is equals to
Data frame.
Data frame. Data frame is nothing but if you just type df, it will give data frame.
CSV.
Df, okay. PD.
you have to give space.
No need to give. You just try. See, Python environment, it is like you are user friendly. Your friend. So sometimes even Google Colab, I would say, it is so much of user friendly. Sometimes you have to give space. Sometimes don't give space. And then I will tell you why I'm telling this contradictory. Two things, right? If you try to copy paste from some other code to this environment, 100% that code you will be trying to run, you will get an error. Because somewhere down the line in the code, maybe case sensitive, maybe space sensitive, you have to give some alignment. There are so many things. Okay, so that is the only reason you will be getting the error during the run. I will show you. I mean, there are so many things we are going to discuss. Maybe for the first time you will be getting some excitement, and also what is this and what is that. To keep all these questions informed or noted down, we'll discuss one by one. Yes, sometimes it is space sensitive.
When I read that data, it is showing file not found error. So
okay. Now what you have to do? Go to this. Because you are not downloaded, because that is a different environment. Now we are in the separate environment. Yes. Go to the files and then come to the upload to session storage, and then upload the Apple underscore products.csv. Now type. So this is what I wanted from you. You got it right? Because it will.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what should we type here?
Yeah. Just go to this the other session. Just see that, and then df, I mean data frame equal to pd dot. You are going to read in the data set. Read underscore CSV of that file name. After that, we are going to read this, the first header, the first 5 observations.
Data frame.
Just type it. Don't copy paste, please. Don't copy paste. Your mind will not improve. Your brain will not. I mean, there is a reason why I'm saying this. Just type it. Don't copy paste. Type it in this.
It is an error showing, like name error.
What?
Name error it is showing.
What kind of?
df equal to head / the close bracket if I put. So it is showing name error.
Fine. Okay. What I will do right now.
Yeah. File not found error I am getting.
Okay. Yes, please. I will make you a host. So share your screen.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
I think it is less than a minute. Again, you have to rejoin.
New project time.
So here.
Just let me know when you're able to see.
Yeah, we can see your screen. So one question was
yes,
df pd dot read underscore CSV in brackets. When I'm giving the file name, I'm giving it in the single quotes. Is it necessary that it should be in double quotes?
No, it is not mandated. It is up to you. So this understand, otherwise it is readable. It is not mandate that you have to give